Okay, this is a quick little video just about the grippers that I'm using on the feet. Now the original design, just as the Cane Robotics one was just a bare leg of this length. And I found, as they found out immediately, that you needed some sort of grip on the end. They have a custom-made silicone sock that they put over theirs. I didn't want to spend any money. The most I wanted to spend was what I spent on this tub of pencil erasers. I think I paid like $7 for that delivered. It's a huge tub of them. So on the first two videos that I did on my little DIY version of the K2 robot, or KT robot, I took those pencil erasers and I cut the pointed ends off and then kind of rounded them. So they only added about 1 millimeter of length to the leg. But then just recently I went ahead and printed some legs that are, well, because of the pointy tips, it adds almost 8.5 millimeters of length. So I made the legs 8.5 millimeters shorter and then stuffed on the pointy ends. So they look a little bit different, but it doesn't take any mod, and trying to sand and round their eraser ends 4 times exactly the same, it's kind of difficult. So at least this way I know they're all exactly the same. They're all straight out of a pencil eraser box, which gives you lots of colors to pick from, very inexpensive, and gives you the grip that you need for the legs.